The news I'm about to share with you is not good. Perhaps the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Coinbase, will remove Ripple from its listing. The price can plummet as a result of this major setback. Cryptocurrency investors are selling off their holdings in anticipation of a possible decline. Are we truly in a state of panic, though? I think we can figure it out if we look at it more closely. With its lightning-fast scalable blockchain optimized for international payments, has been a major participant in the cryptocurrency industry for quite some time. That video is crucial for all XRP holders. Ongoing legal fights, particularly with the Securities and Exchange Commission, have damaged its trajectory, with ripple effects throughout platforms. Like Coinbase, the future of Ripple is clouded by the legal turmoil with the SEC. Everyone in the cryptocurrency ecosystem is on edge because Coinbase might delist or limit XRP trade pairs. The SEC has been putting more and more pressure on Coinbase, the biggest Bitcoin exchange in the United States. The SEC's civil case against Coinbase in June 2023, in which the company was accused of running an unregistered securities exchange, is indicative of the regulatory tensions at play. Shares of Coinbase fell 12% following the announcement of the lawsuit. Coinbase may now face further regulatory pressure and be forced to delist or cap XRP trading. Coinbase has encountered legal issues in the past. A federal judge recently gave the shareholders the green light to proceed with their planned class action lawsuit against Coinbase. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is facing accusations from its shareholders who claim the company misled investors about the potential loss of customer funds in a bankruptcy and minimized the possibility of SEC action. Coinbase is taking all necessary measures to defend itself from these charges, which have further exacerbated the exchange's legal problems, distancing oneself from XRP. Major repercussions for the token market may result from XRP's possible delisting. If Coinbase were to be delisted or restricted, it would drastically diminish the liquidity and accessibility of XRP on the US-based platform. Similar to the delisting of coins involved in regulatory disputes in the past, it could cause short-term market volatility. One prominent member of the XRP community, attorney Fred Rispoli, does give some hope, though. Despite these obstacles, he still thinks the SEC v. Ripple case might go all the way to 2026 for a final verdict. Since resolving any appeals will take years, this buys XRP some time. According to Rispoli, Ripple has been somewhat eclipsed by the SEC's proceedings against other coins and exchanges. Regulatory action is still a possibility, but it might not have as big of an effect on XRP as initially anticipated. Ripple's continuous legal maneuvering and community support have kept the token robust so far, despite the possibility of Coinbase delisting, which might damage investor trust. Even if it is embroiled in legal issues of its own, Coinbase is determined to defend its position. Its statement read: "We remain confident that we are right on the facts and the law, and we look forward to proving the rest of our case. Defeating the SEC is only one goal of this judicial struggle." It pertains to the more general issue of cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. This is a high-stakes battle, and Coinbase will do everything it takes to win, even if it means separating itself from XRP. Take a deep breath and think it over before you sell. The ripple effect of XRP will continue. Absolutely not. Actually, major things are transpiring behind the scenes. The wealthy investors known as whales are secretly amassing XRP in the millions. What insider information do they have that we don't? That's what's fueling their confidence. Ensure that you do not overlook this. The continual legal dispute with the SEC has further added to the wild price swings of Ripple's XRP, which have undoubtedly frightened its investors. However, there are indications that things might be changing, even though there is still a lot of unknown. A more nuanced perspective of XRP's market activity and future possibilities was offered by Brian Q of Sentiment, a highly recognized data analytics platform. Q recently presented some intriguing views on the Thinking Crypto podcast. Despite the token's volatility, XRP may be setting up for a rally according to certain important indicators. The slow but consistent increase in XRP's social volume is one of the most interesting parts of Brian's analysis. He went on to say that one encouraging sign is the rising trend of social interaction surrounding XRP. There have been corrections in the past when social media interest spiked suddenly, but this time the increase seems more controlled and in line with the market as a whole, and overall, people are still cautiously hopeful about XRP. Compared to the August levels when the token's value skyrocketed, this is a huge disappointment. This stable situation may actually pave the way for long-term progress, not just a short-lived upswing. In XRP's ecosystem, the number of wallet holders is a significant measure. the number of XRP wallets that contain some cryptocurrency has increased by more than 535,000 or 11% in the last year. Large investors, sometimes called whales, and smaller retail participants also contribute to its expansion. Although the majority of these wallets are held by individual investors, Brian did point out that there has been a significant increase in the number of large wallets with 100,000 or more tokens. This is significant, since big holders frequently have more in-depth knowledge of the market and buy up when they anticipate future gains. Brian brought out an intriguing correlation regarding whale activity. A decline in the number of large XRP wallets has historically been accompanied with a corresponding decline in the token's price. This metric is worth keeping an eye on, however, it isn't a rule of thumb. The remarkable thing about the current situation is that the number of people with enormous wallets is really increasing, not decreasing. It appears that significant individuals are buying XRP, which could mean they have faith in the token's future. Brian stressed that the long-term upward trajectory is indicated by the constant accumulation by whales, even though XRP isn't ready for a huge breakout in the near future. Large holders who have access to more in-depth market information are purchasing XRP even when there is no obvious bullish mood. Something major might be on the horizon, and it's sending a subtle but strong signal. Although some investors are understandably anxious due to XRP's legal disputes with the SEC and volatile market conditions, the data shows that XRP is actually quite promising. The basis of XRP seems more solid than ever before, thanks to the continued growth of whale wallets and stable societal mood. All things considered, these developments bode well for the token's future. That is, unless a temporary upturn is not about to occur. Things become intriguing, though, at this point. Now let's look at the statistics. Let me tell you, the predictions made by experts on the future value of XRP are just mind-blowing. No matter how much you believe you're prepared, I can assure you that you're not. Stay tuned as we dissect these mind-blowing forecasts. A remarkable price spike has everyone talking, and recent tweets and predictions from experts are sending shockwaves across the community. I am eagerly awaiting the formal XRP breakthrough, Dusty tweeted not long ago, expressing our shared excitement. At the same time, the crypto community is buzzing with anticipation and conjecture, because to Levi's daring assertion that XRP will be priced at $9,761 on October 7th, market analyst Moonshilla has set a price estimate for XRP that is among the most ambitious that has been proposed so far, adding fuel to the flames. Above $100. Moonshilla delves into the implications of such a rally for the overall market in his most recent research, and the results are mind-blowing. He shows that XRP would have to grow by more than 18,000% from its current price, more than 200 times before it could hit the $100 level. If XRP's value were to soar, its market capitalization would likewise soar, reaching around $6.5 trillion. So to put it in context, XRP would be among the most valuable cryptocurrencies, and it might pose a threat to Bitcoin's market supremacy. If XRP reaches this degree of appreciation, according to Moonshilla, it will become a formidable competitor in the digital asset industry and may significantly change the crypto landscape. And that's not all the consequences. Additionally, as Moonshilla points out, Bitcoin's price would have to soar substantially for XRP to accomplish this enormous objective. For Bitcoin to hit $350,000, its value would have to quadruple. This number is in line with what financial analyst Robert Kiyosaki has predicted, since he has previously proposed this price for Bitcoin. With a market cap of $7 trillion, Bitcoin would maintain its lead